guys, so welcome back. We're finally back out on the bank and we're finally doing a vlog. I think the last vlog we did was the Pure Baits Concepts Social back in the beginning of Feb. Have been absolutely stacked out with work. It's been absolutely mega busy. So yeah, I have been a bit stitched up with the work, but I have been managing to get out on Fridays and do my little overnighters. And I've been catching fish, so spring's been pretty good so far. So yeah, I can't really grumble. However, I've got down here today on my Friday night session and I can't get in the swim, unfortunately. It's been taken. So what I've decided to do is get back in the van, and I've driven up to the other end of the lake. Basically gone down a complete opposite side where it's on the back of the wind. Because believe it or not, we've had some beautiful weather. Last weekend we were away and I was in shorts and t-shirt, and the last couple of days at work it's actually been snowing. So it's been a bit, bit typical English spring. So anyhow, yeah, we're back down. We've actually pitched up in this swim 32, I think it's called, Kingfisher. So we're in here. Haven't got anything sorted yet, as you can see. Just literally pushed the gear around here, and yeah, we'll see what we can do. But it seems quiet all down the farm, so we'll give this a bash. Right, I'll get in touch when I know where the rods are and we know where we're fishing. Cheers. Right, so we're sorted. We've got everything up, all the house is in order. Just got to tidy up a couple of things, but most importantly, the rods are out. You can see them on the dance floor. So yeah, we managed to get them nice. So what I've decided to do is I've gone for 3 Ronnie rigs, normal stuff, good spring tactic. One's on a white amino ester pop up. The other one is a yellow. No, I've got 2 on a white and 1 on a yellow. So edging our little bets there, all on amino ester, little pop ups. Pure Baits Concepts. And what I've done, if I swing you around where the rods are, you can see these tufties out here, this falling snag. I've got one there. If I swing over there, there's another fallen tree there. And there's a little snaggy bit where I don't know if you can make out here, in the water somewhere here, I think it's there. So I've got them to yeah, just flicked across to basically the far margin. Just gonna, I've walked around actually and scattered some baits again. So just along that far margin, just hopefully if there's anything out there, we can pick them up. But I just scattered baits all the way along that side. And yeah, that is it. Simple stuff, really basic, easy fishing. Don't have to cast to, it's just silt. There's no real weed there yet. So yeah, it's just little helicopter rigs, and they've gone out there lovely. So I'm fishing, so I'm tight lined across to that, and we'll see what happens. So yeah, I've just been sitting in, listening to the World Cup draw, and we've got an absolute doddle again, which is lovely. So we've probably got the easiest group out of the whole tournament. So happy days. So anyway, right, I think it's about that time. A nice cold beer of the week. Right then guys, so this week's beer of the week. Now special mention goes to David Grivell. I think I got that right, David. Hopefully I have, mate. But yeah, special mention to him as he suggested this. I think it's a lager. Well-known one, been out for years. I always remember it being the old Tottenham Hotspur shirts with Gazza and Gary Mabbott and those sort of players. That was their sponsor. So further ado, this week's beer of the week. Old Holston Pils. Yeah, famous old jollop. I've never tried it. Seen it on the old shelf a few times and never tried it, so I thought I'd give it a bash. Right, so let's have a little go. Holston Pils, I've only got a little bottle, it's the only one I could see. Anyway, give it a bash. Right, cheers, lovely jubbly. Says it's from Hamburg, Germany. That's a 5%. Let's give it a go. That's really nice. 1879. Holston Pils, Hamburg, Germany. What else does it say? Don't say a lot. No, but yeah, it doesn't say anything else. To be honest, when it tastes like that, don't need to say a lot, does it? David, great shout, mate. That's really nice. I'm surprised. I didn't think, well, for some reason I didn't think I'd like it, because I've never tried one before, which is weird. Anyway, no, that's really nice. This week's beer of the week, Holston Pils. Right, little drop of Holston Pils, that was lovely, lovely jubbly. Right guys, so we are losing the light pretty quick, and that temperature is dropping by the minute, to be honest. That's blooming cold. So yeah, I've got a nice pasta dish tonight that the missus cooked for the kids last night, and a little bit left over, so I thought, right, I'll have some of that. So she put that in a little tub, so I'll heat that up in a bit. I've got a couple of little Budweisers that I might polish off in a minute, and then I'll probably tuck myself away and get nice and warm, because it's going to be Baltic. Heat up the old stove and get the hot water bottle going. -2 tonight, so yeah, it's not going to be very good. So hopefully the bream don't turn up. But last time it was -2. It was just before Christmas, and we managed to get a couple of nice fish. So we've got little scalies, little scaly linear, and a little common. So yeah, we woke to a beautiful frost, and yeah, it was made the trip. So hopefully we have a bit of luck. Anyway, right, I'm going to get myself tucked away. If anything happened, guys, I'll let you know, and if not, I'll see you in the morning. But fingers crossed, we've got something in the margin. See you in the morning. Right, good morning guys. Unfortunately, quiet night. Probably not surprisingly, to be honest. We've got a lovely hard, the bivvy's a little bit frozen up, but yeah, you can see as we're getting the light, pretty hard frost, so it was chilly. So yeah, not surprisingly, nothing's happened. So the tufties are a bit lively over there this morning, so hopefully the carp will arrive. Still got about 40 minutes till I've got to reel them in, but realistically I've got to start packing up all that kit because I've got to get back for Josh's football. So yeah, I need to be gone in about, well, by 7 o'clock I need to be out of the place, so got about a 15-minute walk to the car park yet. So right, so on that note, thanks again guys for all the beer of the week suggestions, all the new and old subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Click the little bell icon and it'll always update you if there's any new vlogs. And I'm trying now to get them out a bit more regular. So now the weather's on the turn, hopefully bi-weekly is my plan. So every other week we get a new vlog out, so look out for that. So right, on that note guys, I need to get sorted. I'll see you probably next week or the week after. Cheers.